Hello, in this video we are going to talk about service marketing triangle. The service marketing triangle is a framework that illustrates the relationships between the service provider, the customer, and the organization. It is a fundamental concept in service marketing and is used to understand and manage the delivery of services effectively. The three components of the service marketing triangle are: 1. Service provider. The service provider is the person or organization that delivers the service to the customer. They are responsible for the quality of the service and creating a positive experience for the customer. 2. Customer. The customer is the person who receives the service from the service provider. They are the reason for the service and the primary focus of service marketing efforts. 3. Organization. The organization is the entity that supports the service provider in delivering the service. They provide the resources, processes, and systems necessary to ensure that the service is delivered efficiently and effectively. The service marketing triangle illustrates that all three components are interdependent, and each component influences the other two. For example, a satisfied customer is more likely to return and recommend the service to others, which benefits both the service provider and the organization. On the other hand, an unhappy customer can damage the reputation of the service provider and the organization. The service marketing triangle is essential because it emphasizes the importance of all three components and the need for collaboration and communication between them. By understanding the relationships between the service provider, the customer, and the organization, service providers can create a positive customer experience, build customer loyalty, and achieve sustainable growth.
The service marketing triangle works by recognizing the interdependence of the three components: the service provider, the customer, and the organization, and the need for collaboration and communication between them to deliver high-quality services. Here's how the service marketing triangle works. 1. Service provider. The service provider is responsible for delivering the service to the customer. They must have the necessary skills, knowledge, and resources to provide the service efficiently and effectively. The service provider's behavior, attitude, and communication are essential in creating a positive experience for the customer. 2. Customer. The customer is the reason for the service and the primary focus of service marketing efforts. They have expectations and preferences that the service provider must understand and meet. The customer's feedback is valuable in improving the service and meeting their evolving needs. 3. Organization. The organization supports the service provider in delivering the service by providing resources, processes, and systems. These may include training programs, customer relationship management tools, and quality control processes. The organization's goal is to ensure that the service is delivered efficiently and effectively while maintaining high quality. To make the service marketing triangle work effectively, all three components must work together. For example, the service provider must understand the customer's needs and communicate effectively with them to deliver the service. The organization must support the service provider by providing the necessary resources and systems. The customer must provide feedback to the service provider and the organization to help improve the service continuously.
Effective collaboration and communication between the three components can lead to a positive customer experience, increased customer satisfaction and loyalty, and sustainable growth for the service provider and the organization. By understanding the service marketing triangle and the relationships between the components, service providers can create a culture of service excellence that benefits everyone involved.